This is one of the biggest problems many WhatsApp users are encountering. You need the official WhatsApp to log in. Seeing this pop up on your screen can make you feel frustrated. But don't worry, in this step-by-step guide, you will see how to fix it. So give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't yet. Let's get started. If you need further assistance, you can contact me on Instagram at LooneyJP. I'll be happy to assist you. See you in the next video. Take care.